From our studios in Srinagar, we have Mufti Nasirul Islam, is the Deputy Grand Mufti, is the son of the Grand Mufti. Pirzada Muhammad Amin Shah is Secretary of the Muslim Personal Law Board of Jammu and Kashmir. Now we have Maruf with us, Dr. Sudhanshu Trivedi of the BJP, and General G.D. Bakshi. I have great respect. Mufti Nasirul Islam, don't mind it, but it has to be said straight. What does the Grand Mufti, your father, want? He wants the Kashmir Valley to be 100% Muslim. He doesn't want a single Pandit family to come back. Why is he giving this some kind of a communal color? He should be welcoming it. He should be helping it. And he should actually ensure that the Kashmir Valley is not 97.16% Muslim, but there should be people from all areas and all religions. And each one of those hundreds of thousands of families who have been thrown out of the Kashmir Valley should be brought back. I mean, I'm completely shocked if at a suggestion of your father, which seems to be that you want to convert Kashmir to a Muslim majority state.
Can I answer your?
Yes, you can.
Can I answer your?
Yes, you can, please.
But you will not stop me while I'm speaking. You'll give me time to make my point, please.
Go ahead.
Kashmir belongs to all Kashmiris, whether they are Hindus, Kashmiri Pandits, or they are Kashmiri Muslims. Kashmiri Pandits are our brothers. They are welcome to come back. Grand Mufti has never said that they cannot come back. But we are only opposing separate homeland for them. That's all.
How many have come back? Tell me how many have come back in the last few years? How many Kashmiri Pandits have come back?
There are so many people living in Kashmir.
How many Kashmiri Pandits have come back? Give me the facts and the numbers, G.D. Bakshi.
My dear friend, it's not. I cannot give you the figure, but you can come by yourself. You can come and witness these things by yourself.
एक मिनट Arnab, I want to point out to the country that twice the Kashmiri Pandits' attempts were made to persuade them to go back. 2007, 2008. The first time 27 were killed and the second time 28 of them were killed. Is this what you want? You want another set of slaughter?
My dear friend, have you ever noticed how many Muslims got killed during the militancy, during the period from 1989 until now?
What 1989?
Do you know how many people got killed? How many Muslims were persecuted by Indian forces from 1989 onwards until now?
You have been guilty of genocide. You have perpetrated the worst.
It is government of it is the Indian forces. It is government of India who are responsible for the killing
of the Kashmiri Pandits
in state of Jammu and Kashmir.
Why? One second.
Kashmiri Pandits have been thrown out of their houses for the last 30 years, and when we tried to send them back, they slaughtered them.
My dear friend, please understand. Please don't communalize this issue. Please don't communalize this issue.
You are
but the Grand Mufti has communalized the issue.
You are communalizing this issue.
You are maligning Muslims, and the government of India is responsible for the killing of hundreds and thousands of Muslims in the state of Jammu and Kashmir.
So
have you ever conducted one single program for this purpose?
Responsible. Have you ever blamed Pakistan? Have you ever blamed Pakistan?
My dear friend, you have a hate for Pakistan. You have unnecessarily hate for. There are 23 crores of Muslims who will also demand for the homeland.
People who kill innocent women and children.
1 second. I want to ask Mufti Nasirul Islam, the Grand Mufti, the Deputy Grand Mufti and the son of the Grand Mufti. Why? No, 1 second. So did Pakistan not have a hand in the 2006 Doda massacre where 35 Hindus were killed? Did Pakistan not have a hand when in the Nandibagh massacre in March 2003? Did Pakistan not have a hand in the January 1988 massacre when 23 Hindus were killed? Why don't you accept the fact?
Segregation of the Pakistan?
Sir, do you believe that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India?
No, absolutely not.
Then if you don't, then you have no right to try and create an element of insecurity. If you don't,
Absolutely.
if you don't,
I'm
if
saying
you
with
don't,
firm hand that Jammu and
if you
Kashmir
don't,
is not a part of
well,
India.
let me say this to you. If you don't,
India is an occupational force.
if you don't, as an Indian citizen, if you don't, then let me say this to you on your face tonight. You have absolutely no right to stop the resettlement of any people who be thrown out from that from the valley. Maruf Raza coming into the debate. Sir, first, sir, do not, sir, please, sir, do not, sir, first of all, I consider it an insult. I consider it, sir, you carry an Indian passport, you benefit from what the government of India does and
Gandhi was
provides.
also carrying British passport.
And if you
never
cannot
did
come on the
anything
news
for
hour and
this,
say, I don't believe that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India, because it is not your personal enterprise
I'm saying it in
either.
the news hour today.
And
that
because-
Jammu and Kashmir is not a part of India.
And that's your problem. You have an element of insecurity. You and your father. You have an element of insecurity.
absolutely
You are
not.
opposed to
We
the
are living in
resettlement
our
of
Kashmir.
Kashmiri
We are
Pandits
living in
because
Kashmir. We
you are
live
playing to a
peacefully. We want
Pakistani
Kashmiri
agenda,
Pandits to
sir.
come and live the
Don't
the way
you
they have
are
been
playing
living
to a
with
Pakistani agenda. Maruf
us.
Raza responding to the
Absolutely
debate.
not. You're wrong. You
Order.
are wrong.
You cannot carry an Indian
Mr. Arnab
passport
Goswami,
and
Mufti
push a
Sahab,
Pakistani
Mufti
agenda.
Sahab.
Maruf.
Absolutely wrong. You are.
Mufti Sahab, just hear, Mufti Sahab, please hear me out with a cool head. You people who
Maruf, I know
support
you. Please
Article
go ahead.
370 and insist that, sir, please hear me out, that you support Article 370
Yeah, I'm
and
with
insist
you.
that
I'm
that
hearing
gives
you
you a
out.
certain degree of protection within the Indian Union. Within the Indian Union, but do remember, under Article 370, India is authorized by the people of Kashmir to provide defense and security for the people of Kashmir. So when you talk of India being an occupational force, then you are questioning the very conditions under which Kashmir, under Sheikh Abdullah, with all of you supporting it, became part of the Indian Union. Now, I am not saying remove Article 370. All I am saying is that Kashmir, as you would agree, is famous for its Sufi eclectic culture.
Right.
And the people of Kashmir
Maruf,
also
Maruf,
have
can I
within
debate?
them a
Maruf,
let
Pandit
him speak.
community, and many
Maruf,
of you,
can I
sir,
debate, please?
sir, can you,
Can I
sir, just let
debate,
me
Maruf?
complete.
Let
Sir,
him
let me
speak,
complete. Let me complete. Let me complete.
Maruf,
No, you will not rebut.
Let
Let
him
me
speak.
complete. What I'm saying, no, sir, you will not rebut. You let me complete. You, Kashmiris,
Okay, go ahead.
Kashmiris today are converts from many of the Pandits who made the original population of Kashmir. So don't ask them to be a separate entity. You are all one. Some of you took the Islamic route. Some stayed on with the old Shivite Hindu culture that the Kashmiri Pandits inherited. So don't segregate them on the basis of religion. Your ethnicity is Kashmiri. Your religion is not Kashmiri.
It's not
And if you say that the
government of
Indians
India
are
is
occupational
against the people of
forces,
Kashmir.
you
Don't you understand that?
are voicing the sentiment of your paymasters in Islamabad.
Right.
They have asked you to say this.
Absolutely
Aren't you ashamed
nonsense you are
to stand on the
You are
Indian
talking
soil
nonsense,
and
Mr.
question the
Mr.
integrity of India? This is an act of sedition.
it is
You should be
absolute
nailed for
nonsense.
that. How
We are-
dare you say that and still live off the benefits of the Indian Union? Be ashamed.
And the fact is, one second, Mufti Nasirul Islam. Mufti Nasirul Islam.
You must understand.
Mufti
that
Nasirul
India is
Islam.
not- Kashmir is not an integral
Mufti
part of
Nasirul
India.
Islam.
Kashmir is not
Mufti
an- Don't you
Nasirul
understand
Islam.
that there
It
are
is, sir,
three
it
parties
is.
to Kashmir.
Mufti Nasirul
Jammu
Islam
and
जो
Kashmir,
सच्चाई है,
Pakistan.
जो सच्चाई है वो सच्चाई को देखने
Your
परखने की
constituent
कोशिश
assembly,
कीजिए
your
और and I'm asking you one
constituent
question.
assembly chose to become a part
क्या
of India.
सच्चाई है? सच्चाई सब जानते हैं। सच्चाई क्या है?
सच्चाई ये है,
हिंदुस्तान के 30 करोड़ मुसलमानों को सेपरेट होना
सच्चाई ये है,
सच्चाई ये है,
सच्चाई
सर,
ये है,
आप लोगों ने-
सच्चाई ये है that सच्चाई तो ये है, one second, the truth is this, that people like you, once they let me speak, and I want to go to Sudhanshu Trivedi and I'm going to Pirzada Muhammad Ami Khan. I'm saying this today to the Deputy Grand Mufti very directly today. The truth is this, that people like him have done nothing and his his father have done nothing to make it easier for Kashmiri Pandits to come to the valley. There is always an attempt to radicalize the youth in Kashmir. They have, they, no, you will, you are like cowards, you will issue a fatwa against a girl band. You will call.
They have been living, but no homeland, no separate homeland.
Sir, what you want is a Kashmir of intolerance.
Such move. Government of India is intriguing to change the demography of state of Jammu.
Change the demography? What, do you even know the demography of where you live? Do you even know your own place? In the valley, the population of Muslims is 99. No, one second. I must answer the demography argument. Population of Muslims is 97.16%. Hindus is 1.84%. There will have to be a transfer of populations at a level which cannot happen to change the demography.
I think Muslims.
I don't.
I think.
No, 1 second. What? No, you have no idea. You have no idea. Sir, let me tell you, you have no idea of demography. What you are saying, the Modi government will have to ensure a transfer of populations more than that experience during partition to bring about a change of demography.
Only you and because you have the people who have all alone been hatred towards Muslims.
So you know this pro-Pakistan agenda that you are pushing will be defeated and beaten this time.
I'm sorry, Mufti Saab, you have not. Please step out of the valley and see how the Muslims in India have contributed to India's growth. They have not stood by in a corner near a mosque and given sermons and questioned the integrity of India. You should be ashamed.
I know it better than you. I know how pathetic Muslims.
What do you know better than me, sir? What do you know better than me?
You don't know anything, sir. The fact is that I want to get into.
आप कश्मीर से बाहर निकल के देखिए.
Sir, you know. 1 second. Look at the anger today of the Deputy Grand Mufti Sudhanshu Trivedi at the suggestion that a few thousand families will be taken back to Jammu and Kashmir. I don't know where this insecurity really is stepping from. Can it be stopped anymore? Because what they are doing is beginning a series of threats to stop it. Can it be stopped anymore, or should it be pushed even further and more aggressively now? Sudhanshu Trivedi. Sudhanshu Trivedi, can you hear me? That question is to you. Obviously, the audio is not going through to Sudhanshu.
Can you repeat the question?
No, my question is simply that after this, this atmosphere is being created here, that this cannot be allowed. The Kashmiri Pandits cannot be brought back. You can't have separate enclaves for them, whether or not they need it from the point of view of security. Will your government push this or go back?
In a different way. We have never said that Kashmiri Pandits cannot come back to Kashmir. They are welcome to come back to Kashmir.
Yeah, and do you speak a word when the Lashkar-e-Toiba butchers them? Do you have the courage? Does your father have the courage to take on the Lashkar-e-Toiba? Show me one statement where you have to these butchers. Not one, sir, not one. Not one. Yet you will oppose security. So what you're saying, in other words...
Have you ever conducted any program
show me one statement where you've taken on...
Hundreds and thousands...
Can I say something?
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Your punches and sarpanches.
Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Have you been able to protect your punches and sarpanches?
Can I say something?
Well, yes, Sudhanshu Trivedi.
We totally condemn the statement of Mufti.
Sudhanshu
The reason being, every Kashmiri believes in a composite Kashmiri culture which comprises of Sufi Muslim as well as the Kashmiri Pandit culture. Those who oppose the rehabilitation of Kashmiri Pandits, they are against the basic composite nature of the Kashmiri culture. But in my opinion, the more serious question is, where are those so-called secular intellectuals which always raise hue and cry? I would like to remind, at one point of time in 1950s, when there was no issue of secularism, then Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru used to say that Kashmir is an example of Indian secularism. And after 60 years, the example has given us a result, the genocide and exodus of one community. This is the example of a secular country. And refugees in their own homeland. And no so-called secular intellectual is taking any question. The only exodus twice in the two places in the Indian territory, one in the Kashmir, another is Assam. Nobody has taken any question. This is the point which is paining us. on this issue of national integrity and the communal harmony and the composite culture of Kashmir, nobody is taking the issue.
No, it
Rather
appears
than
to
they
me-
are giving a silent support to these type of forces which are getting abetted, and moral support from the statements of Mr. Mufti. This is our allegation.
Professor Hamida
And as
Naeem,
far
welcome.
as their
Professor
demand is
Hamida
concerned,
Naeem, welcome. I want to ask
Ghettos should
Pirzada
not be
Mohammad
there.
Amin Shah.
I would like to say that we want no
Arnab.
community in India. No community in India in any city should try to be in ghettos. They should have an open mind. We are against this type of policy, but this should be properly implemented and seen in the vast landscape of India.
You see, ahead of Modi's visit to Jammu and Kashmir, Pirzada, one second, Pirzada, Pirzada, one second. First of all, it appears to me that ahead of Modi's visit to Jammu and Kashmir, this is, Pirzada ji, Pirzada ji, I just want to ask you one question. One question. How many, why do you think not one of the 24,000 families who had fled Jammu and Kashmir since 1989 have returned to the valley? वो वापस क्यों नहीं आ रहे हैं? आप बताइए मुझे.
हाँ, yes.
Please ask this question to, please ask this question.
No, you answer my question.
बात ये है,
Let Pirzada answer my question.
नहीं, I will answer your question. देखिए बात ये है, जो कुछ भी हुआ पिछले इन सालों में, जो कुछ भी हुआ, जो कोई भी मारा गया, चाहे वो हिंदू भाई था हमारा, चाहे मुसलमान भाई था, वी कंडम. हम पुरजोर मजम्मत करते हैं और ये कहते हैं कि इंसानियत के नाम पर एक बदनुमा दाग है, राइट. अब मसला ये है कि जब से ये आया है, ये कॉन्स्पिरेसी हो रही है कि एक सेपरेट होमलैंड बनाने जा रहे हैं हम, तो ये अलग सी एक बात हो गई कि फिर वो सेग्रीगेशन हो गई कि हम आपस में जो एक नारा था हिंदू मुस्लिम भाई भाई, तो
आप मुझे बताइए, भाई भाई तो नारा नहीं रह सकता ना. पिरजादा जी, आपने मेरा सवाल का आंसर क्यों नहीं दिया? मैंने तो काफी इजी सवाल पूछा था, आप उसको अवॉइड क्यों कर रहे? मैंने पूछा कि 24,000 फैमिलीज हैं, 24,000 फैमिलीज हैव फ्लेड कश्मीर सिंस 1989. Why has not one of them returned to the valley? Why? वापस क्यों नहीं आ रहे? आप बताइए ना हमें.
वो तो मसला ये है कि
तो बताइए ना.
वो तो गवर्नमेंट के पास मसला है. गवर्नमेंट का नहीं है, वो उनको लाए किस तरीके से लाए. लेकिन मेरे कहने का ये मतलब है, अगर मैं आपसे एक नहीं, वापस वो आएंगे. देखिए, सम ऑफ देम जिन्होंने अपनी प्रॉपर्टी यहाँ बेच डाली और
नहीं
प्रॉपर्टी
नहीं, that's not true.
Yes.
That's not true. It's because of the climate of fear. It is because of people like Grand Mufti.
No, sir. मैं आपको एक एग्जांपल दे रहा हूँ.
I have some friends here living in Kashmir, who are known to me. Please come to Srinagar. I'll
Sir, you tell me how many.
Are you? And you will find how comfortable they are.
Mufti Nasirul Islam, are you embarrassed today?
Yes.
I have asked a simple question. You tell me why none of the families have returned to the valley.
अर्नब जी, मेरी बात सुनिए.
I said there are many Kashmiris living. Kashmiri Pandits.
How many have returned to the valley?
Not only that, I think.
You think they don't want to come back?
In every village of Kashmir, इस वक्त जितने भी हमारे हिंदू भाइयों के बच्चे यहाँ नौकरी कर रहे हैं, नौकरी के सिलसिले में हर एक गांव में लड़कियां भी हैं, लड़के भी हैं. उनसे आप दरियाफ्त करिए कि वो किस भाईचारे के साथ
आप मुझे ये बताइए. आप 1% की बात मत कीजिए. मैं आपको पूछ रहा हूं कि इतने अटेम्प्ट हुए रिहेबिलिटेशन के, सब फेल हो गए. आपके रेवेन्यू मिनिस्टर है नमन भल्ला, उनके आपके असेंबली में बोला कि 1 सेकंड 1 मिनट वहां पे कितने
1% is safe here.
No, but why
99% is also safe.
So you are avoiding the question. You are not understanding. You create an atmosphere of fear.
Not at all.
People fled the valley. Why don't you want to accept the truth? People fled the valley. There was terrorism. Hindu families were pushed out of the valley.
वो आए, उनको किसी फोर्स की जरूरत नहीं है, उनको किसी सुरक्षा की जरूरत नहीं है.
जी दीपक,
उनकी सुरक्षा.
आप कैसे कहना है कि फोर्स की जरूरत नहीं है?
Arnab, just a quick point. Arnab, can I just come in?
Sorry, Maruf, can I just please, kindly. Arnab, I will answer that question with very great clarity. While we were there conducting counter-terrorist operations, a batch of Kashmiri Pandits had tried to come back in 2007.
You were here to kill people.
27 was massacred. The next time in 2008 when they tried to come again, another 28 of them were massacred and then 4 more. This massacres drove them off. People don't want to go back to be killed.
If it is true, we condemn.
Have they been able to save their punches? and their sarpanches, the only logical solution is to put them in communities which can be safeguarded. Unless you want to sell them to, for a slaughter,
General Bakshi,
that is not the way it is going to happen. And that is why they haven't gone back.
They were our brothers. There were no Hindu serpents.
They have to be given protection. And is this the way you will create an atmosphere by the kind of statements the Grand Mufti is making? For God's sake, revive that Kashmiriyat, revive that Nyunda Rosh tradition, revive that syncretic tradition.
I want you to give the protection
revive
millions of Muslims living in India. You are creating
tradition.
another Pakistan within India. You have a hate for Muslims.
I am
have no
going
idea.
to tell you
You are in
that
your-
you please take them back but keep them safe.
No.
Have you been able to protect your punches? Your
Absolutely.
sarpanches? Please tell me.
Absolutely not.
Answer this question.
And
have you been able to protect your
How many-
sarpanches?
you see,
how many-
Professor Hamida Naeem, one second.
How many Muslims
Professor-
got killed during your time?
Professor
Can you elaborate that?
Professor Hamida Naeem, I also find it very interesting that no senior member of the BJP has gone on record saying Kashmiri Pandits will be resettled in separate cities. The party has also not officially said something like that. Even before a confirmation comes, people like the Grand Mufti and Gilani, they're all pro-Pakistan people. They all speak about this. Appears to me that this is some desperate attempt by some pro-Pakistan elements to create some trouble ahead of Modi's visit. But it will bounce back on you. No, when did can you tell me, Professor Hamida Naeem, when did Pakistan give the instructions to do this?
My God, don't malign, don't involve Pakistan in this bloody.
Why does it hurt you when we mention Pakistan?
Arnab, either give me two minutes to speak or I will not speak. I don't want any interference from anyone. Only then I'll speak.
Yeah, but
what you are saying is far from the truth.
Really?
What you are saying is far from the truth. So far as Mufti Bashiruddin is concerned, he is not the person who is actually upholding Pakistan interests. This is sheer nonsense what you have been saying.
Well, this is exactly
This
what
cannot be
Pakistan would
accepted
like. I'm
here.
sorry.
The simple thing
This is exactly, it would be music to Pakistan's ear.
Please let me speak.
It would be
or I will-
music to
I will
Pakistan's
walk
ear.
off.
Well, there is a man, the Grand Mufti. The Grand Mufti does not even believe that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. He's using the resettlement of Kashmiri Pandits as a plan to promote his own agenda. And this involves creating a climate of insecurity among Kashmiris.
My God.
What is my God about it, sir?
Shut up and then only I'll speak.
No, fine,
You
but
are diverting.
But fine, first accept that Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. This attempt to create insecurity will not work anymore. The people of Jammu and Kashmir will throw it out.
It is not integral in spite of you may say it 1,000 times. Reality cannot change by your saying it.
The reality is
the moot point is it was leaked through pay. It was leaked through press.
I want to ask you, Hamida Naeem. Hamida Naeem, I want to ask you this question. Suppose you're sitting in your house doing this interview. Suppose terrorists force you out of your house, force you out of your state, force you to go out of your state, and generation after generation you're not allowed to go back to your state. You are offered money, but you are so afraid. The government offers you resettlement schemes. You are so afraid that you and your family and your children will be killed that you don't go away. I'm asking you tonight, would you then raise your voice? Would you then raise your voice in the way that you're doing tonight? Maruf.
In recent years, those Pandits who wanted to come back, they have returned.
Who have come back? Name how many came back? How many came back? I'm challenging you. How many came back? How many came back, Professor Naeem? You're a professor. Tell me how many came back? How many came back? How many came back?
I don't have the count.
Well, if you don't have the count, no. How many came back? I am asking you how many came back. How many? Professor Naeem, will you be so myopic, so short-sighted? Can you be so selfish? Can you be so selfish today not to recognize that?
Honestly.
How many came back?
Honestly, so many Pandits have returned.
How many came back? How many came back? Can I tell you something? Can I tell you, Professor Naeem? Professor Naeem, Professor Naeem, you spread the communal nonsense. You and the Grand Mufti spread that communal nonsense.
Using a partisan language.
Let me tell you one thing. I am telling you one thing if you have the patience to listen. Okay? Nearly 70,000.
You will not listen to
Nearly
anyone
70. No,
asking
I'm
me.
telling you the facts. Then
Because all
counter
these
me with
facts
facts.
are flawed, they are false.
So what for?
You are giving a false
it hurts.
picture of the ground.
You know it hurts.
And I cannot take that.
You know something? Imagine today
Because you have collected so many people on the studio which are actually speaking this majoritarian aggressive
majoritarian,
language, and
ma'am?
you can calm me down and let not...
Professor
and
Naeem,
you will not let me
Professor
say the
Naeem,
truth
can I
on the
tell you
ground.
something? If you are going to be cowed down by facts, then you should be cowed down by facts. And if you have the
Yes,
patience
there
to
are
listen,
terrorists
I will
also.
share one
If
fact
there
with you
are
now.
terrorists in Kashmir,
I will share one
if there
fact
are
with you now.
terrorists in Kashmir, those are in the garb of
Now
the
listen to
security
the facts.
forces.
No, listen to the facts.
Yes,
Listen
they
to
have
the facts.
attacked people every time.
Professor
And they
Naeem, people are
attacking them
watching
every
you, and
time
what
even
people
today.
will say. Why
are you whitewashing what your
The
security
entire
forces are
country
doing
is
here?
watching you
If
now.
I am scared of anyone, I'm scared
You are
of
being
them.
watched across the entire
Why
country,
don't
and
you
I will
get
share
that?
one fact with you.
And instead you get this Bakshi every time
Seven-
to spread venom on the TV.
You are 70,000 Kashmiri Pandit families who are forced to migrate from their native places because of
Nobody
terrorism
forced them.
were
It was their
eligible.
fault. Who
told them
facilitated
to
their
migrate?
migration?
Were eligible.
Kashmiri
Were-
forced them.
have
This
you
is
ever-
not true.
Were eligible.
This is
Listen.
not true.
Are you?
There was only
You have no
five-
patience to listen.
Please listen to me.
You have no patience to
Now,
listen.
there was fair psychosis in both Muslims and Pandits. Pandits had a place to go.
Really,
Muslims
really,
had
and
no
why was
place
there
to
fear
go.
psychosis?
That is why their exodus was facilitated by Jagmohan at that time.
Okay, so one second, I'll cast you.
Have
one.
the patience to listen
no,
to facts.
no, one second. So we want the
There
reverse
was fair
exodus.
psychosis in
We
both
want
communities.
that.
In both Muslims and
We
Pandits.
want
Because
the people of
both
India,
communities are
Professor Naeem, the people of India.
I don't want to listen to all this.
Yeah, there you
No.
are. You of course you
I'm
won't
getting
listen.
out of this.
You have no patience to listen, and you are scared and worried. And that's the point. And what she did not have the patience to listen to, because it's easier to walk out of a program than accept the fact 70,000 Kashmiri Pandit families were even eligible for 20 lakhs under the Prime Minister's package for construction and reconstruction of their houses.
From your program.
Nobody.
We will rebut and we'll answer.
Sir, how many have come back?
Let me tell you one thing that
How many families have come back?
Come to Kashmir? Have you ever come to
Yes, I have come to Kashmir many times. I'm asking you how many Kashmiri Pandits have come back? How many Kashmiri Pandits have come back?
Not from we people.
How many Kashmiri Pandits have come back? How many times has your father asked for the return of the Kashmiri Pandits? How many times has your father done that?
From the government, not from we people. But the question is, you don't blame government of India for this.
मुझे लगता है
who forces them to migrate?
The terrorists backed by Pakistan, now supported ably by your father by creating this atmosphere of insecurity. GD Bakshi.
I said Pakistan. Please don't malign Pakistan. For
Why does it?
Don't malign Pakistan.
Pakistan is a quasi-terrorist state. Why are you so sensitive about Pakistan? Why are you so sensitive about Pakistan? Every time I mention Pakistan, you come out in spirited defense. First of all, understand you are in the sovereign territory of India. You're an Indian citizen. Show some loyalty to your own country first.
No, I am not.
Show some loyalty to the country first, or go live in Pakistan.
Kashmir is not an integral part.
Then you go live in Pakistan.
Mr. Arnab Goswami.
Then you go live in Pakistan, sir, and spread that hate in Pakistan.
Why?
Of the Kashmiri Constitution. That is Article number 1 of the Kashmiri Constitution adopted in 1956, and it says Kashmir is and will be a part of India.
Mr. Bakshi.
And you should be tried for sedition.
Please clean your hands because you have killed so many Kashmiris here. Please wash your hands. You have killed many Kashmiris here.
You know, I'll tell you what, Mufti Nasirul Islam. Mufti Nasirul, I will close this debate at this point.
I am a part of Jammu and Kashmir.
I'll close this debate at this point because I will not allow anyone on the panel to simply keep repeating that he does not believe Jammu and Kashmir is an integral part of India. You can go and tell your Pakistani patrons, Mr. Deputy Grand Mufti, that Jammu and Kashmir is and will be an integral part of India. You keep trying that. You keep trying that. You want to create that atmosphere of insecurity. If your Pakistani friends have told you to do that, you're so hypersensitive about Pakistan. Why are you?
Absolutely
what have they done for you? What have they done for you? What has Pakistan done for you? Then go live in Pakistan. Sudhanshu Trivedi.
Why don't you go?
A simple attempt is being made to rehabilitate Kashmiri Pandits, and look at the reaction of these people.
Rejected by all sections. तो इस वक्त उसी पर अमल किया जा रहा है।
पीरजादा जी, आप एक बात बताइए मुझे। नहीं सुनिए ना पीरजादा जी, एक मिनट बात सुनिए। आप रीजनेबली, मैं एक प्रश्न आपको क्वेश्चन पूछना चाहता हूँ। आपको आपके घर से भगाया जाता, आप चले जाते डर के माहौल में, आप और आपकी फैमिली निकल जाती है आज श्रीनगर से। एक मिनट सुन लीजिए, जहाँ पे आप हैं, और आप वापस आते तो आप देखते कि जो वापस आता है, जो हर बार लश्कर तौयबा वगैरह जो हिंदूज है वो मारते रहते हैं, और आपको पैसा भी दिया जाता तो आप वापस नहीं आते। और जो लोग, अगर एक दिन सरकार आपको ये कहती कि आप जाइए, आपके लिए एक सिक्योर एरिया बनाएंगे जहां कहेंगे कि आपको अटैक करना संभव नहीं होगा, आप क्या सिक्योर, बिना सिक्योरिटी के वापस जाते? वुड यू गो बैक विदाउट सिक्योरिटी? Can you go back without security? Can you go back without security? Can you go back without security?
This is पहले मुझे ये बात बताइए,
don't you feel for those people?
अगर किसी का सारा कुछ नहीं, please listen to me now.
Don't you feel for those people, or you only feel for the Pakistanis?
Will you please listen to me?
Again, I said that you have a hate for Pakistan.
हम मान के चल रहे हैं कि सारा कुछ जो है,
at least I am not
छिड़ गया है।
No, 1 second.
We are discussing here Kashmiri Pandits.
Yeah, but Mufti Nasrul Islam, Mufti Nasrul Islam, unlike you, I am not infatuated with Pakistan. Okay? I don't have a hate, but you are infatuated with Pakistan. Get over your infatuation. Sudhanshu wants to say something.
We are not discussing Pakistan. Pakistan, we are not discussing.
But this is what Pakistan wants. Pakistan. So don't you understand? Pakistan created the Lashkar-e-Toiba to throw the Kashmiri Pandits out of the valley. It's a Pakistani agenda to throw Kashmiri Pandits out of the valley. Don't you know that?
मैं कहता हूँ,
no,
of course you should.
It was an agenda which was completed by Jagmohan, implemented by Jagmohan.
Please,
अर्नब जी मेरी बात ये सुनिए, जो टू नेशनल थ्योरी आज से 70 साल पहले नकारी जा रही थी,
अर्नब,
it's not a two nation.
Can we kindly come in?
आज
before they get away with this
बनाया जा रहा है। अगर होमलैंड अलग से बनाया जा रहा है,
पीरजादा जी, मैं सिर्फ ये कह रहा हूँ, मुफ्ती नसीरुल इस्लाम को इतना प्यार है पाकिस्तान के साथ, तो जाइए पाकिस्तान में रहिए ना, इंडिया में क्यों रह रहे हैं? सुधांशु त्रिवेदी कुछ कहना चाहते हैं? No, it's important. You can't live in this country and abuse it. You can't live in India and abuse it like that. You can't do this.
Where we have to go?
देखिए बात ये है कि
सुधांशु त्रिवेदी,
there are certain forces in the politics of Kashmir whose very existence is based on the politics of fear, hatred, on the base of communal divide and creating hatred against India. Each and every time when a constructive, positive effort is being done by any government, these forces come into existence and they themselves become a self-styled champion of the Kashmiri unity and even the self-styled champions of the protection of the Kashmiri Pandits. I would like to ask them, if you are the protector of the Kashmiri Pandits, you are having the majority government, why this thing happened? I would like to quote a couplet. Don't say here and there. Don't beat about the bush. Give a clear, categorical answer. I would like to say a couplet. तू इधर उधर की ना बात कर. ये बता कि काफिला क्यों लूटा? मुझे जनों से गिला नहीं. तेरी रायबरी का सवाल है. Those who are the government are the basic responsibility.
Don't have guts.
आप प्लीज मुझे मत बताइए. प्लीज मैं
जाइए, ये सवाल आप जगमोहन से कर लीजिए. बेहतर यही रहेगा जिसने कश्मीरी पंडित उसको यहाँ से निकाला. वो हमारे भाई हैं, वो आ सकते हैं. देखने के
पास जाने की जरूरत नहीं है. मैं खुद वहाँ था.
जनरल बख्शी, कश्मीर में कितने मुसलमानों को कत्ल किया है, ये आप बता दीजिए.
1100 कोल्ड ब्लड में मारे गए थे. प्लीज, उनके घर जलाए गए थे. आप पूछ रहे हो क्यों भागे?
पता है
कौन आपको पता है?
आप झूठ बोलते हैं. आप झूठ बोलते हैं.
कौन घर होना चाहता है?
It's a
कौन अपना
shameful
घर
statement you
अपना
are
वतन छोड़
making.
के जाना चाहता है? कौन गर्मी में सड़ना चाहता है?
यही तो हम कह रहे हैं कि क्यों वो यहाँ से निकले, किसने उनको यहाँ से निकाला, निकालने वाला कौन था ये बता दीजिए। क्या ये नहीं बताया आपने कि जगमोहन उनके उसके पीछे था और जिसे उन्होंने एंट्री की,
जगमोहन उनके पीछे था?
फाइंड आउट
जगमोहन ने मारे 1000 कश्मीरी पंडित।
ऑफ जम्मू एंड कश्मीर।
क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? आपको कम से कम ये देखिए साहब, आप ये उसको बोलिए जो वहां नहीं था। मैं कह रहा हूं, मैं खुद वहां पे था, मैं खुद वहां पे था, हम लोगों के सामने ये सारी वारदातें हुई हैं। और आज आप दुनिया को देखिए, देखिए मेरी बात सुनिए प्लीज। इंसानियत भी कोई चीज है, इंसानियत भी कोई चीज है। बोस्निया से जो बोस्नियन सर्ब से उनको भगाया गया, पूरी दुनिया ने इसको एथनिक क्लेंजिंग करार दिया।
I'll tell you one.
और जो इंटरनेशनल कोर्ट ऑफ जस्टिस है,
मैं सिर्फ एक सिंपल पॉइंट, आई वांट टू मेक अ सिंपल पॉइंट एंड देन क्लोज. My point is simply this.
उनको भगा दिए और आप वापस नहीं जाने दे रहे।
General Bakshi, I want to say one thing, and this goes to the Deputy Grand Mufti. Sir, I'll say this to you again. If you are in Indian soil, learn to respect your country, and if you are in love with Pakistan and disrespect India, go live in Pakistan and see how much freedom you will get there. One. Point number two, because you don't respect, you can't sit on, you can't live on the soil of this country and spit on this country. You can't do that. And one point, no, you can't do that. People like you should be booked for sedition.
When Kashmir belongs to me, when I have my homeland,
it is Jammu and Kashmir is a part of India. Learn to respect that. Second point.
Yes, what I want.
It's a part of India.
What I want.
Respect that. And respect that. Otherwise, you should be booked for sedition. Second point. आप जितना भी ट्राई कर ले, whatever you may try, integration will happen. Integration will happen. So give up that culture of fear. Integration is about to happen. Deputy Grand Mufti, prepare for it. Thank you very much for joining me for debate number 2 on the News Hour tonight.